Hello, everyone. I'm really excited because I have a package to open today and it has something really awesome in it. Timio, a family-owned and operated company, sent me a package. They let me choose one of their necklaces and they sent it to me to review so that I can share the review with everyone. Timio is really cool. They specialize in 24 karat gold and fine silver jewelry. I don't know if most of you know this, but usually when you deal with fine jewelry, designer jewelry, any other jewelry that's offered by most of the major jewelry brands out there, it's usually going to be sterling silver. And a lot of the gold jewelry that's available out there, it's going to be 10 karat gold, 14 karat gold, 18 karat gold if you're lucky, but it's hard to find 24 karat investment grade quality jewelry. But Timio makes it available to you. Not only are they a family-owned and operated business, everything they make is handcrafted in the United States. They have a lot of products that are ready to ship and ready to go on their website, but a lot of other stuff is crafted on demand. And they also do custom orders for people. Let's go ahead and get into this box. I'm so excited. Could you imagine just opening it and seeing this? Like, what's in this box? The green and the gold. Oh, you know, green and gold, that just means quality, elegance. I love it. I hope the camera is showing this as well. The flat green paint with that shiny gold. Oh wait, oh my gosh, it's a drawer? Oh, whoa, this is nice. Timio, adjective, from the Greek word timios, valued, of a great price, precious, held in honor, esteemed, especially dear. It's beautiful. Oh man, this is nice. Okay, I don't know if I've received a piece of jewelry with this nice of packaging before. Thank you for doing a product review for us. I am so grateful to have connected with you and your online community. I hope you love this chain. It was fun to make. Blessings to you this year and always. It's responsibly sourced. Everything's made from 24 karat gold and fine silver. Enjoyable investment. Of course it's enjoyable, come on. Oh man, I'm gonna love this. What this is showing us is 24 karat gold and fine silver compared to some of the other alloys, 14 karat gold, 18 karat gold. 14 karat gold, when you're buying that, you're actually only getting 58.33% gold. And everything else is copper, silver, and palladium. So if you want that investment grade jewelry, you wanna get 24 karat gold. And the silver, you know me, rich silver. I like sterling silver, that's fine. But if I can get my hands on fine silver, that's what I want. So we've got our care and cleaning instructions here. Some people know, but some people aren't really sure how to care for their gold and their silver jewelry. Certificate of authenticity. This is exactly what I want. Wow, 69.5 grams. That's a hefty chain, let me tell you people. My chain is the Axia or Axia style. It's a 22-inch chain. Even has an embossed seal right there for their company. Oh, I'm just gonna pour it out. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. This is really beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is handcrafted right here. Oh my goodness. From here. So I am going to post a bunch of photos because I'm not going to be able to get a lot of this on the video. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Wow. I wish you could feel that. That's real money right there. I'm amazed. I wish you could feel this. Wow. I can't wait to get this on and wear it. This is beautiful. I'm amazed, yeah. Timio 24 karat, Timio 24k.com. This is 100% yes. Like, absolutely. I highly recommend this company. This is really more than I was expecting. Like, this is beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you, Timio.